So in this video, I will teach you how you can lube a speedcube. In here I got a completely track you. You can hear this, and it's also very sandy. So this is how you can lube the cube. First, you need to take the cube out. You only need an inch in the corner. Then take the lube out. And here I use the Mofang cube. Yes. And you need to get a little bit of lube on the corner like this. You just need a thin layer of it. Oh yeah, so you can put a little bit in here also. And you put it in. Then with the edge you will put lube here, and also here. So just need just a thinner, because in here it's already have a little bit of lube like that. I just put in, then turn cube 45 degrees and put it in like that. And then we need some buttons. Yeah. Wait, I need those quick swipe. I think I put too much. And then you just need to clamp it up to make sure that all the lube is full in the tube. Just show it like normal. Yeah, let's have some break-in first, so then you will have a very good cube. So that's how you can lube the cube. And just subscribe to this if you want to have more tutorial.